Hi, good day my dear grade 11 students. So how are you today? I'm hoping that all of you are doing fine and safe at home. So for this day, we're going to discuss about understanding the point estimate of a population mean. In the statistics lesson, the mean and the standard deviations are used to describe a set of scores. As is often the case, scores come from sample data. If the statistics sample information is the basis for estimating the parameter value we are interested in. How close is an estimate to the true parameter value? So the answer lies in randomization. To enhance the reliability of an estimate, we take as many random samples as possible from a population. We compute the mean of each sample and then compute the mean of the means for all samples. The final result is a number that is called point estimate of the mean of the population. We think that the samples that have yielded the estimate come from a population with mean. So of course, we can write it in symbol as the mean of the means is equals into mu. An estimate is a value or a range of values that approximates the population value. Estimates are sample values computed from sample information. And of course, when we say estimation, it is the process of determining parameter values. Let us consider this example. From a random selection of 10 groups, the weights in kilograms of 80 preschool children in a barangay child center were obtained. So we are going to find the weight of all preschool children in the barangay using the given in the table. Let us consider this given example. So like what I've told you, we're going to find the mean of each random sample. So in this solution, we're going to obtain the column means wherein, for example, we're going to have the mean of column 1 or we have column A. So therefore, we have here 165 divided this by 8. So you have 20.625. And then column B or column 2. So we are going to have 180 divided this by 8. So you have 22.5. Then column 3, you have 157 divided by 8. So you have 19.625. And then column 4, we have here 161 divided this by 8. So you have 20.125. Then column 5, so we're going to add this. So you have here 164 divided this by 8. So you have 20.5. And then column 6, you have 176 divided this by 8. So you have here 22. Then column 7, so you have 170 divided by 8. So 21.25. And then column 8, so 159 divided by 8. So 19.875. Column 9, so you have here 175 divided by 8, so 21.875. Then column 10, so you have 168 divided by 8, so you have 21. And then, from obtaining that, so we are going to proceed in step 2, wherein you are going to compute the mean of the mean. So, we have here now 209.375, because if you add 20.625, 22.5, 19.625, 20.125, 20.5, 22, 21.25, 19.875, 21.875, and 21, so you have 209.375. Divide this by 10 because we are containing 10 columns, so you have 20.9375. So, therefore, based on the 10 random sample groups, the point estimate of the population mean or the mu is 20.9375 or approximately 21 kilograms. So that is the mean weight of all preschool children in the barangay child care center. Let us consider this example 3. Dominic wants to know how all the people in the District of Manila perceive the conduct of an earthquake drill. He has interviewed 10 random selections from 500 people and then determined the percentages of those who are in favor of the drill. He has assumed that the only error present is the sampling error. So the following numbers are the percentages of the 10 surveys, which are 90, 86.4, 90.1, 85.2, 78, 95.3, 90, 87.5, 93, 77.5. So of course, the first step is we need to compute the mean of the percentages. Wherein we're going to use the formula mean is equals to the summation of our x to be divided by n. So of course, in this case, if we're going to add this, and then, of course, you have 90 plus 86.4 plus 90.1 plus 85.2 plus 78 plus 95.3 plus 90 plus 87.5 plus 93 plus 77.5. It is equivalent into 873. And then we're going to divide this by 10, so you have 87.3. So for step 2, we need to determine the point estimate of the population mean percentage wherein it is equivalent into 87.3. So thus, Dominic can conclude that 87.3 or approximately 88% wanted or in favor with conducting the earthquake drill. Remember this class, wherein a point estimate is a specific numerical value of a population parameter. The sample mean is the best point estimate of the population mean, and then of course, an interval estimate is a range of values that may contain the parameter of a population. Okay class, so that is all about understanding the point estimate of a population mean. So if you do have question, please do not hesitate to ask your teacher. So again, thank you for listening. God bless and stay safe.